This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Susan Brelsford. Looking for privacy in the country near the Smoky Mountains? Enjoy this all-brick 3-bedroom home on a 0.87-acre level lot with a separate garage/workshop and storage. Firepit is ready for the fall evenings. Home has a large living area, spacious dining room, 3 bedrooms, 1 tile full bath, large laundry/utility, covered porch and carport. Newer roof, HVAC, Pex H2O line, vinyl windows, laminate flooring in living and dining areas. Not far from town but a lovely country location. Good bones and ready for your personal touches. Square footage approximate. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Brelsford at 865